Samsung S5 Mini in 2025. This thing has been loading for over 2 minutes. Let me press my profile picture. Now we wait. Yeah, it's completely frozen. Oh, warning. Fake shum. What the fuck even is that? Okay, we can install Timu. Never mind, you still can't scroll. Let me go to the home screen then. This might take a while. Any minute. Hurry the fuck up, you stupid piece of... It is now a minute later and oh my god, it's doing things! Oh my god, there we go. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go to apps. Oh, never mind. I'm not gonna do anything with this piece of shit. I'm just gonna flash it with a custom ROM or some shit. Make sure to join my Discord. Link is in my channel about me. I do more crazy tech experiments, and then you can actually vote on what I buy, because I might buy like an S6 or an S4 or an S3 or a Galaxy Y. That's actually a current live vote. Yeah, you decide what I do with my money, because I can't decide for myself. Kill yourself. I mean, settings. Oh, so slow. Okay, pause the music. This bitch just got so busy, it just fucking reset itself. It just died. It just gave up trying to process my enormous amounts of requests. I was idling in the settings page. So now it's just gonna restart. Let me see those speeds, boy. Yeah, let's go. So speedy. Woo! Yeah, I can make so many fucking perfectly cut anythings, and there we go. Let me just swipe the screen and watch the ping do everything. And at least now it's reset it. I think it would run a bit smoother, maybe. I just want to turn off auto update, man. Where this is new. Oh my god. Airplane, let me find the apps. I'm definitely wiping this. Yes. Oh sweet, exactly what I'm looking for. Good soup. Let's go with this. Yes! The old logo! 25 megabytes? That's all I want for this piece of shit phone, because anything newer is just bullshit. Why do modern I don't know how much footage was lost there, but it's actually fixed now. Well, fuck YouTube, it's also a Google product and they kill the old apps. Yep, thought it. This version of YouTube is out of date. You know what? Fuck you at this point. Give me my applicatiebeheer. Go to PoopTube. Fucking 200 meg... Disable. And replace with a factory version. Also disabling. But this actually fixed the phone. It's responsive now. You can use it. I thought like anything below S7 was unusable because of this phenomena, but the phenomena isn't even that applicable if you reset your fucking software. Like, don't listen to me. I use fucking Windows 7 on my side rig, not even joking. I'm trying to install Fedora Linux on my other computer, so that might take a while because the piece of shit won't load into the setup. You are fixed now. Yes. Will this continue on the background? Probably. Like, look at all these well, fuck you, except you then. So confused why they, like, don't want you to use older YouTube versions. Well, probably because of advertisement-related stuff. Yep, there's no updates for this thing. Never. Security patch version, August 1st, 2017. Android... Where does it say? Android version 6.0.1. It's actually responsive again. Why is my UI changing? Discord? I don't know what I'm logged into, to be fair. I have no idea. 10,000 million billion Discord accounts. And as unresponsive as fucking Yes, my god, what? Okay, I'm switching to the 2021 version before the icon change on this thing as well, just like on my S9. You can't actually... Okay, I'll tell you when I'm actually showing something so that you won't get brain rot or something. I don't know. There's Discord, ignore that. Quick share on this. No, there isn't. Maybe with Bluetooth? I am the try. Merger. Don't remember if the S did it turn off. No, it didn't. It just started the camera. I don't know if this has built-in QR code scanner. Stop loading. Everything's sideways. Bruh. Oh, there's like a separate thing to like share it with Bluetooth. I don't think my speakers, I don't even own these speakers, can install like apps. Because it's a speaker, you know, not a fucking phone. You fucking moron. White page of dad's business. That's what I always used to think. If the page is white, then you don't give a shit. It's dad's business because it's probably important. I don't know, man. It's like 6. Load the page, you stupid fucking... Everyone. Why isn't it working? Scan. This is only 5 Android versions apart, mind you. And this is also 5 Android versions apart of the latest. Okay, oh, I already have this installed. Guess who pressed stop recording? I'm not even joking, this thing goes on standby before it's done loading. Are you done? Like, this thing has been searching for over 10 minutes now, as you can see at the time. I don't know if I forgot. And this is faster, downloading it myself on this old-ass phone. Who invented this, bro? Why is it taking so long? Like, this is want me to do like 1 billion calculations to waste the AI space, except I'm not a fucking AI. Just trying to download something. Why? Work. Yes, I'm stuck here, you piece of sh... Is it working? May take a few seconds. What? Another one? No! Why? Why? Oh, by the way, Mr. One UI, this is how you make a working search bar instead of making it load like screen. It loads instantly. That looks cool. Oh my god, that's annoying. Fuck you. Don't get distracted. Scream that out. Gonna whop that to a whopping 2 minutes because I know it just takes ages. Look, it's gumbering. Look. Verify, I am human. Always disable cookies. Scroll to available download. Give me that. Gumbering, download 100 megabytes. Yes. Then you go to files, then you go to downloads, get a copy, get it, fucking, oh my god, it doesn't even see the phone, what the hell, oh my god, refresh, it doesn't see the phone. A faulty connection, I should stop talking before I actually press record. Anyway, paste. You, Mr. Discord, oh my god, I love this thing now, it's so responsive. This is actually a downside. Okay, small rant incoming. Modern phones have 7 years of software support. My A54 is already fucking dying because I accidentally updated to One UI 6.1. By the way, I went to bed with like 80% charge. I woke up in the middle of the night with 40% charge, and when I got out of bed, it was dead. Like 15% charge. Thanks, updates. Really like your new waste of battery. I think 7 is in the queue, and I don't want to imagine how things will be with a 400 me- Fuck you. Mi feliz. Mi feliz. Almost this full screen chat. Look at this. Full screen. Download history. Is this even listing like the downloads folder? Did I already download this? Did I already download this? Okay, first let's kill the duplicates. First of all, make sure to always allow anything and always, because that's maximum security, and make sure to use Windows XP while watching porn on unsecured websites. Always do this. Okay, this is stupid advice. Don't fucking do this if you're not a fucking I love being this channel. You can just say whatever and definitely won't hurt my revenue in the future. Whatever. If I censor this, the videos will be cut from 10 to 1 minute, so that's a bonus, I guess. Less time to watch. Installering! I accidentally made a Discord account yesterday because I accidentally pressed sign up instead of logging in, and I was like, oh, okay, it's just verifying my age and stuff, and I just entered some stuff, and then I pressed next, and I was like, welcome to Discord! Whoops. Anyway, if you have a domain, you have like infinite emails, so that's pretty nice. Is it still installing? To be fair, this phone was already pretty outdated when this version of Discord got released, because it's from 20... Wait, what? Let me check. 2014! Yar! After XP's end of life. Wow. So anyway, it's still installing, by the way. I don't know why. Like, if I do this, I can like see the time that I've been recording sideways, and I'm like concerned that it'll flip my whole video, but I'm not sure. Okay, it's still installing. Oh my fucking god. No! It'd be done. Open. Yes, Discord. Wait, is there actually... What the hell am I seeing on the screen? Like, these are cracks, I think. Just not in the actual screen, I hope. It does have a screen protector. It has a screen protector. Ugh, light mode. Okay, time to enter my account details. Will it work? Thank you for letting me into heaven. Where's Discord? No. Oh! Yes, it works. Oh my god, I'm on a Samsung S5 and oh my god, it's responsive. Look at this. Okay, maybe. Okay, look at this, it's responsive. You can do shit without dying. Oh my god. Hey, look at me, I'm on an S5 mini, yeah. Yeah, that about wraps up this video. It's still usable, just uninstall fucking Google. Fuck you, actually, like, honestly. Blow this. It updated anyway. It updated. No! But it's more responsive. What version is this? No, don't auto-update apps. What did it update? What did it do to all my apps in the meantime? In the time that I was gone? Guess this video is not over yet. Reset the Play Store again, auto updates. Yeah, okay, you can notify me. Wait a minute, did I not disable, like... Settings? Auto update apps? Do not auto update apps. Did I fix it now? Will it now not update my shitty Play Store? Because racist Play Store. So out of place, these modern like things. Wow, the old logo. Fuck you, TikTok. I hate you. I hate you so much. Never mind, it's not. Oh, never mind, it just froze. I thought it was broken, but everything broke. What the hell is it? What the hell is it doing? Oh my god. Oh my god. No! Okay, we're back to being unusable again. Okay, it's back to being half usable. Firefox. Fireball! But it works. Just gonna wait to see if Facebook, fuck, I'm gonna edit this video in the meantime. It updated. No. Well, that's your answer for the video. Is it usable? Probably. Does it work? Probably. Android 6 is pretty outdated. I don't think Roblox still supports it. Yup, Roblox doesn't support it anymore. 8, and Minecraft needs 9. So yeah. That's my review for the S5. Make sure to join my Discord and tell me what the hell I'm gonna do with this thing, because I have like just a few phones. Like just a few. Not too many, just like not at all. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and don't die in the meantime before joining my Discord and telling me what to do and spend my money on. Bye!